Welcome to the online training for EC-CAD pipe. Today's session we're going to cover extracting a system out of Revit to import into the EC-CAD. So here I've got a Revit file, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the ribbon and I'm going to go to the View command. Once I go to the View command, I want to go ahead and select the Visibility Graphics. And if I bring this up, I want to go to my Filters. And in the filters, if the engineer or the person you got the Revit file from has done their job properly, you'll be able to turn on and off the visibility of systems. So I'm going to say I want to turn off the visibility of all systems except my domestic hot water. So I'm just going to hit on that and then hit apply. And now everything is gone except my domestic hot water. If I zoom in on this a little bit and want to look and see how it's drawn, I can select any object by just hovering over it and selecting it. And you can see here in my properties, this is a bend long sweep PVC Schedule 40 DWV fitting. I want to bring that in as a copper solder system into the EC-CAD. So we'll be able to do that in the next video when we import this system into EC-CAD. But for now, to get this system out of Revit, we're going to just hover over this piping system with our cursor and hit our tab key a couple of times until it's selected the whole system. Then right click on it, now it's selected. So now we can come to our ribbon up here and we'll go to our EC Tools, and we're going to come over here and tell it we want to export this selection. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to call this is going to be our domestic hot water for the EC-CAD pipe training. So we just entered that name in, and now we're ready to go ahead and save that file. So I'm just saving this to a little file on my desktop. Once this has been exported, I can come back now and I can go to the little glasses down here, and I say I want to temporarily hide this element. So if I go to hide element, it's going to turn that domestic hot water off. So the next time I go to extract a system from here, that one will be hidden and will not be in the picture. And in the next video, we will continue with importing this into the EC-CAD.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.